Big up Crosses TV.
So Crossy TV, you need to run with that now, man. You need to run with this now.
Sasha,
Hmm.
later you have to go play with the front for me, yeah?
No problem, baby. Me call you later.
All right.
Sasha, me want help you
But
get rid of the
Mellow, we're
earbud
gonna need to
then.
see. We have to gonna need to see your
Hey, yo, Sasha.
What you say?
I'm gonna help you pretty. You put it pretty already, you know. You have, Mrs. say you have some quint in here.
Yeah. She have
Yeah.
some pink in
So,
her.
yeah, what me
You
I
know
gonna
how
do
not
now?
turn me on.
Me I
Well,
gonna help you because Mrs. say you kind of like, you know, maybe when
she don't know
maybe
to
when you
control the
shave,
pussy, you know? Yeah.
maybe
Yeah.
when you shave, you get ear bump, or if you wax,
Yeah.
the ear
At the
them grow
stick,
back,
at the
and yeah.
cheap shave them. Yeah.
So,
Yeah.
guess what me I gonna do? Me I gonna help you get rid of that. By the time I'm done with you, you and them two piercing the way in your pussy when me just say a while ago. Listen, as a big woman to a young girl, me gonna make your landing strip smooth. When the plane
Yeah,
them
so no
a
girl not
land,
have nothing over
it's
you.
smooth sailing. No girl not
Yes.
have nothing over you.
Cause
Next time them a
inside of
show
your
you
pussy
video, a
pink.
beer man want you. Your pussy
Pink
nice.
in your pussy. So Mellow, as a when me I again lie,
No,
yeah.
your pussy nice. Me not bring down your pussy. You have a nice cute little pussy.
Yeah,
And me
I
see her,
pussy
and she
pretty
tell
for
you to
true.
quint it. And me see her
And
quint
she
it. And me
quint
see
it,
inside of your
yeah.
foot.
Me
Me
see
see
it I go
inside of
in
your
and
pink
out, in and
dummy.
out.
I jump no blood clot. Yeah.
Yeah,
And
inside
girl,
her pussy
the
did a move
piercing
for
them,
true.
hey, make I tell you this. Sasha, your piercing them are happen.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Gifted hear them about why me have you on the call because Gifted is my friend. I need her for backup and evidence. She's my lawyer.
Right there.
And
So
gifted need
if
a
you no
liar
need
too.
a
So when
liar,
time you see when gifted need receipts and she wants somebody to come like
yeah, call
witness, they
lava.
appear, she
Yes.
call me.
Call lava.
That's what
Yes.
me kill it and not do and me I live off for the dead man money. Yeah. So me always available.
But hold on. Me see the receipt for fear pum
Who is
pum.
this girl Pink Dot? She just
Hold on no. Yeah, did you read
No worry
comment?
about
Make
pink
comment
dots.
and worry
Don't worry
about
about pink
comment.
dots. Pink dot love make problem. Everybody knows
Hold
that.
on.
Just
Miss Mello, you have to go come up on your platform or any platform. We need to see your dividends of your vagina.
and bro
okay.
got body.
No man, me no me good. Me good.
Wait there. Wait say bro God cocky big or not? Come here say
Yeah,
mother
She
if
say
piece of
pretty,
cow
she
foot
say
there.
pretty.
anybody
Tell we
Me
about
want
it.
me cow
Tell we
foot. Me
about it.
want me cow foot. Tell Shelly Belly. Them say want me cow foot. Me want
Tell
me
we
cow
about it,
foot. Me
Sasha. How the
want me
body
cow
look?
foot.
How the
it
body look?
pretty, it have a nice size body, it pretty man.
It pretty. Me here
It
say
pretty?
big no blood clot like
It big.
Jerusalem.
No,
Is it?
it big, but it pretty.
It big
So
and
it
pretty?
long or
Yeah.
it curve to the side or
In no
curve
It
to
curve,
the
thick.
in no and no curve. No curve, no in the Gifted.
It
Jesus.
bumpy or it's smooth.
But anyway, bro got the try and
Okay.
clap.
Is
But
it is
anyway,
it is it is it faded or is it shiny?
here you know. Me not know that me not know about that part there.
All
So is
right.
it true that it's a cow foot?
Lava, I sound like you want it to know. Hold on there. Hold
Don't
on
worry
there.
yourself if me want it, then everybody else
Hold
I get it.
on
If me
there.
feel like me want to try and fight it. Sound excited. Me we go feel it. What the
Hold on
hell?
there. Lava sound like she look an invitation over for about one.
Listen, all me have to do a fly guard Jamaica and I tell you no. No fuck off. Remember we have blue book
Wait.
right here. Anyway, but me not in that. But it rotted, it's shiny. What the bomb that blah? Catchy.
I catch you
Sound
say
like you get
shiny.
it. No, sir. So where you say you suck it off? Huh?
Jesus.
Hey, Sasha?
Me
There
not
is
nobody me,
power.
and me no want bro God, me good.
No, man, you look like you'd have swallowed a blood that cocky.
No
So why
sir.
were you
No sir, me
entertaining
I
him?
good. No sir.
But he
Well,
was
I'm me do the
Me just
entertaining
say
him
what
cosmetic
me
for
have to
clean.
say.
months.
Alright, me say what me have to say, I'm just gonna leave it right there so.
All right. As she proved her point and the video has been released. The video was she playing with her pump some in a them phone and them not release it because they don't want we see between them crutches. So I guess we are gonna leave it alone and court dismissed.
Uh, that's class. I would have told her that's class.
Them hear you. Them hear what you say. What that is.
Hey, I will bust near you know. Yeah,
Who?
Diary, Melo just played a video with the Sasha Pussy and
Pretty.
Quinton
Who?
Yes, the
with
pretty
the
pink.
piercing them and everything.
Hey, you not send me the video they come here for about me
No, nobody
clicking
put up
her
that. Me
head.
put no ideas in anybody's head. Oh my god.
No man, me not tell when me come over, come look, me I say blood clot. Me know you did show me pussy, but the pink you fuck.
So Sasha, you can go to phone all.
Yeah, that make
Yeah,
money.
but me not
She
in
that make
them
money.
something there. Only
Yeah.
in
She
the
that
bed.
make money
You
because
know
she
what?
have top
Only
and
in the
wait
hold
all
on.
the
Only
piercing
in
the
the
way you have
bedroom I
Sasha.
enjoy myself. But you see, outside I am a lady. So the fact that Melo did that and then called me back and then asked me about she and Brogard and I did not do that because I don't have any video. You understand?
Hey,
But
are
the
them
same
people that we put pies in a food and give and tell us say it's all good enough. Me not trust me. Yeah.
yes. So that
Check her
means that
phone
she
where you
had
there
it
when
for
video
me.
run.
That means that she did have it from me from the get-go.
Yep.
Because all you for
Yep.
ask me to come play with myself for you and your man, and then you are recording and me no know
No
nothing.
good
And
intention.
then
She lucky
yes,
things
I
you
am
gonna
a
lock up
nurse.
Yeah,
her
think
door
Yes,
that
till
I
she
you
am a
is a
nurse.
nurse. She is a RN. Not a shit wiping nurse. She's a RN.
She's a nurse. She's not a shit
Nurse.
wiping
Yeah.
nurse. She's certified nurse. Where the
Yeah.
bumper clock don't know.
But in a real life, me think some Melody that go show it cause when me go over there for go see what I go on, Melo just a show one picture